Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. As you see, we're in the computer room. In my last video, I promised you I'd show you how to vinegar clean, your espresso maker. Well, I needed a cup of coffee so I could be awake to video that. So I vinegar treated this baby. All right. Next day, I get up. First cup of coffee in the morning. Beautiful. Works perfectly. And, around 2 in the afternoon, want a cup of coffee. Made perfect cup of coffee. It come time for a cup of coffee so I could be awake to record. Telling you, I'm sorry. I vinegared it off camera. Anyway, a half an hour and it put that much in the bottom of the cup I used to catch. Too far gone. In the trash. So now I'm using the old lady's generic drip coffee maker. I found out how to make a good cup of coffee with it. Or as good as it can be, being it's a generic drip coffee maker. I got one of these jelly glasses. You see them around Christmas time. There's either jelly or cheese spread in them. You pop off the metal thing, throw it away. People use them for juice glasses. Anyway, that's exactly the amount of coffee I'd make for my coffee. So I put that in the water well of the drip, and twice the coffee as if I was making an espresso maker. Okay, well, that gives me the good coffee, and I still have the nuke to make the hot milk. So I'm going to use that for a while. When that thing dies, I'll get another espresso maker. They're still better. If you can afford it, don't put any water in your espresso maker but distilled. Distilled only. Or purified. But distilled is much better. It has a better solvent quality as it's going through those finely ground coffee beans. Okay, that's that. We had a power outage. Started at 3 in the morning. Not last night, night before. Started at 3 in the morning, lasted till afternoon. And rain. It's May. Northern California, we're not supposed to be having no rain. And, well, power outages are always fun. Yeah. I'm not going to take that espresso maker apart. Look at AVE's video fixing the espresso maker he had. Different casing, exact same mechanism. Yeah. Finally, I watched the last episode of Picard. And what I want to say is, thank God that series is over with and no more. It was bad from the start. CBS didn't do anything good with it. And by the time it got to season 3, it was so wooden. I was expecting to see Lord Lou Grade production. Puppets. And they drug in every Star Trek The Next Generation and a couple of Voyager cast members. Just to grind it in your face. Star Trek, Star Trek, Star Trek. Shouldn't have to do that. Amazingly, Brave New Worlds is doing it right. June 15th, they're supposed to be back up streaming with the next season. So far, I'm very, very happy with Brave New Worlds. Yes, I am. Sorry if I don't seem all that animated. I'm, suffering from post-COVID or long COVID, whatever it is, Some of the shit just hangs on, like they take all your energy away. Yeah. And I've got this sinus infection. It feels like it's gone into my middle ears, and anyway, as soon as it gets warm, I'll get back out in the shop. But it's got to be warm. Anyway, good night from California.